Hey, hi, welcome to Kids Lab. Hope you all are going well. And in the previous video, as you have seen, we have solved the question up to the 55 within less than 30 minutes. So let's start today. Fill in the blanks. So my personal advice to you: do not skip the video and watch the video till the end. Then only you can understand bit by bit all the question. So here the first question is. Okay, let's start. The first question is, area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Now circumference C of a circle is equal to pi into 2r, correct? Or pi into d also you can write, pi into d. D will be more correct. Next, circumference C of a circle can be found by multiplying radius r with 2 pi. Okay. Now question number 59. If the area of a triangle piece of cardboard is 45 centimeter square, then the length of the altitude corresponding to 10 centimeter long base is dash centimeter. So it is asking about the length, and here area of a triangle we know that half into base into height. So as it is asking about the height, so what it will be? Now 2 into area divided by base, that is 2 into 45 divided by 10. 2 5s are 5 9s are. So here your answer is 9 centimeter. Now the next question, 1 kilometer square is equal to dash meter square. So simple formula is that 1 kilometer square means what? 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer converted to the meter, that is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter into 1000 meter. So with 1 there are 6 zeros, meter square. It means it is 10 lakhs. Okay, 10 lakh meter square. Next, so let me write it here because there is no sufficient space. It is 10 lakh meter square. Now the cost of framing or fencing a land is calculated by finding its perimeter, because fencing, wiring or walling, it means we need to find out the perimeter where only the side work is there. The amount of space taken up by any 2D shape is known to be the dash covered by that shape. Any 2D shape, when amount of the space is taken by, it means 2D shape means it's a circle. When it will occupy some of the space, okay, is known to be the dash covered by that shape. It is means the area is covered by the shape. See, this is a parallelogram and this space is occupied by its area. Okay. Now the next question, 6 square meter is equal to dash square millimeter. The same thing, let's convert 1 meter square is equal to what? 1 meter into 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter is equal to how many millimeter? That we know, that is 1000 millimeter into 1000 millimeter. It means the same as 10 lakh millimeter square. So 6 square meter is equal to 6 into 10, that is 60 lakh. Okay, 60,000,000 millimeter square. Done. Now the next question, dash is a chord passing through the center of the circle. Okay, that is the diameter. Next, 1 meter square is equal to dash centimeter square. The same process, 1 meter square is equal to 1 meter into 1 meter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter, which means it is 10,000 centimeter square. So here it is 10,000, or else we can write it 10k because no space is there. It's 10. Okay, 10k meter square, or else you will no, let me erase this one. Let us write this 10,000 only, because k also stands for kilo, right? So no shortcuts will be applied here. Now the next question, the perimeter of a parallelogram is dash the sum of the lengths of the adjacent sides. Sum of the lengths means length and breadth, they are sums twice. Twice actually we supposed to write, not to the. So here the answer is twice, TWICE. Okay, because we know that 2 whole into length plus breadth, so already sum of the length plus breadth is given, so it is twice 2 into. Now the next question, the perimeter of a triangle is the dash of the length of its sides. Sum of its length of its side. 68. The fixed point of a circle in which all the points on the circle are at constant distance is called the dash of the circle, is called the center of the circle. Now 1 hectare is equal to dash meter square. 1 hectare means it is actually 1 hectometer square. That is 1 hectometer into 1 hectometer. 1 hectometer means 100 meter into 100 meter. So here it is equal to 10,000 meter square. Okay, let us see this. Now let's go to the next part. Perpendicular dropped on the base of a parallelogram from the opposite vertex is known as the corresponding dash of the base. So it is said that this is a parallelogram. Perpendicular dropped on the base of a parallelogram, this is the base, from the opposite vertex. So for this base, which one is the opposite vertex? This one. So from here the perpendicular is drawn is known as what? Altitude, or it's the height. Okay, corresponding height or altitude, anything you can write. So let me write here height. Okay, now let's go. So here it is. What is that? Perimeter of a regular polygon is equal to length of one side into number of sides. Regular polygon, like if it is the equilateral triangle, we know that its perimeter is A plus A plus A. It means that is A is added 3 times, means 3 into A. Similarly, if it is a square which is a regular quadrilateral, so A plus A plus A plus A, it means 4 into one side. Okay, so here it means number of side into one side. Okay, so here length of the one side into number of side. Next, if both of the height and the base of a triangle are halved, then its area becomes dash times of the original area. So basically, what is the original area? Half into base into height. Correct? So if the base will be halved, it means half of B, and height will be what? Half of H. Right? So what will you write? The new area will be how much? Now half into half of B into half of H. So here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4, and then half into base into height. So what is that? 1/4 of the original area. So that is what? 1/4, 1 by 4 times. Correct? Now the next part, question number 73. Sorry, let it to be yes. Okay, now question number 73. If the circumference of a circle is 154 centimeter, then its radius is, circumference of a circle formula, 2 pi r is equal to 154. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 154. Let me show you the shortcut method. 22 is anyhow going to be divided on that side, on the right hand side. So let it divide from here. 22 ones are, 22 sevens are. Okay, and now it is r is equal to 7 will be multiplied that side. 7 sevens are 49 divided by 2. So 49 by 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 24.5. The radius is 24.5 centimeter. Do not forget to write the units. Okay, now the next question. If the area of a circle is 314 meters square, means pi r square is equal to 314 meter square, and also given that use pi is equal to 3.14, so 3.14 r square is equal to 314. Now 3.14 will be divided that side, or we know that 3.14 is equal to 314 by 100. Okay, we can write it in this way also, divided by 100. So r square is equal to 314 into 100 divided by 314. So this two cancel out. Now r is equal to square root of 100, that is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so it is asking about its diameter. So if radius is 10, then diameter is equal to 20. Oh, not able to write. Let it write it once again. 20. Yes, 20 centimeter. Please write it down because there is no sufficient space, so I am not able to write, but you are supposed to write the unit. 20 meter. Okay, here it is meter. Let me write this. Okay, now question number 75. The area of a circular ring with the outer and inner radii. Outer radii is equal to R1, inner radii is equal to R2 respectively. So area of the circular ring, this ring, always remember that to find out the area of this is equal to area of the outer circle whose radius is equal to R1, pi R1 square minus pi R2 square. Okay, so here we will write pi taken as common, R1 square minus R2 square. Okay, outer radii square minus inner radii square. Now let's come for the next part. 1 centimeter square is equal to dash millimeter square. The same question again. 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, and this is 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter, that is equal to 100 millimeter square. So here it is 100. Okay, now the next part. Let me erase this one and erase this one too. Not able to write it properly. Again 100. Okay, now 1 acre is equal to dash meter square. So this answer is 4046.86, or else we can write that 4047 approximately meter square. Now question number 78. The radius of a circle is dash the diameter of the circle, half of the diameter of the circle. 1 hectare is equal to dash meter square. 1 hectometer into 1 hectometer, that is 100 meter into 100 meter. It means how much? 10,000 meters square. Okay, now the next one, question number 80. The area of the right angle triangle is equal to 40 centimeter square. One of its leg measures 8 centimeter. The length of the other leg will be how much? So half into base is equal to 8 centimeter into height is equal to 40. 8 ones are 8 fives are. So h is equal to 2 into 5, that is equal to 10 centimeter. But it is asking about millimeter. So we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Correct. So 10 centimeter will be how much? Now 10 into 10, that is 100 millimeter. So this is the answer, 100 millimeter. So we have solved all these fill in the blanks questions. Now it's time for the assertion and reasoning based question. Start discussing this assertion and reason based question. Question number 81. Assertion has been given as 6.6 meter is the circumference of a circle whose radius is 2.1 meters. So let's check that one. 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1. So 7 0.3 and 22 into 2 3s are 6, 0.6. It should be 132. So 13.2, not 6.6. So here assertion is false. Okay, this one is false. Now the circumference of a circle of radius d is pi d. Circle of radius d. If radius has been given as d, then circumference will be 2 pi d, 2 pi r. So this one is wrong. This is also wrong. So here it is, both assertion and reasons are false, option D. Now come to the 82. Area of the circle is pi r square, that is correct. If the radius of a circle is 8 meter, then its area is 52.12. So here they have taken as 3.14 into 8 square. It means that one is how much? 3.14 into 64. Okay. Now we just need to multiply 314 and 64. So 14 fours are 56, 3 fours are 12, and 14 6 are 84. Okay, and 6 threes are 80. So here it is 6, 5 plus 4, 9, 8 plus 2, 10, 0 whole 1, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 whole 1, then 2. So here it is 200.96 is the answer, not that one. So here also, what do you get? That reason is false. So here assertion is true but reason is false, option C. Now question number 83, 6561 meter square is the area of the square park whose perimeter is 324 meter. If perimeter is 324, the 4 into one side is equal to 324. So one side is equal to 4 8s are 4 1s are 81 meter. If it is 81 meter, then its area will be 81 square. It means 81 into 81. So let's use the Vedic mathematics. 1 1s are 1, 1 8s are 1 8s are 8 plus 8 16, 6 whole 1, 8 8s are 64 plus 1 is equal to 65. Yes, assertion is correct. Now come to the reason. Perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into one side. Yes, that is also correct. And here reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So option A is the correct answer. Now question number 84. The area of the rectangle is 52 centimeter square. Length of the rectangle is 13 and breadth is equal to 4 centimeters. So that is correct because length into breadth is the area and 13 fours are 52 centimeter into centimeter square. And area of the length is equal, rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So option A is the correct answer. Now come to the next part. Next page. So here it is. Question number 85. The perimeter of a rectangle is 20 centimeter whose length and breadth has been given as 6 and 4. So let's check that 2 whole into length plus breadth is equal to 20. So 2 tens are, and length is equal to 6, breadth is equal to 4. 6 plus 4 also 20. So that is correct. Now the perimeter is the total amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. No, it's only the boundary, not the total amount. So here only option A. So assertion is true but reason is false. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 86. 24 centimeter square is the area of a triangle whose height and breadth are 6 and 8. So this is the triangle. It is saying that half into base breadth is equal to 6 and height is equal to height is equal to 6 and breadth is equal to 8. So 2 3s and 3 8s are 24 centimeter square. Yes, that one is correct. And area of the triangle formula is half into base into height. That is also correct. So option A, because reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Now come to the question number 87. 216 centimeter square is the area of the parallelogram whose breadth and height, means base and height, is given as 12 and 18. So let's multiply. Base into height is equal to 12 into 18. So 12 8s are 96, 6 whole 9, 12 ones are 12, 12 plus 9 is equal to 216. Yes, that one is correct. Now come to the next part. What is that? A rhombus is a parallelogram with all its sides equal. Rhombus, yes, it is a parallelogram whose all the sides are equal, but there is no such relation here. So we can write here both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Now question number 88. 1256 centimeter square is the area of the circle of radius 20 centimeter. So let's check that one. Pi r square 22 by 7 into, or else 3.14 also you can take. So let's take 3.14. 3.14 into r square is equal to 20 square. Okay, 20 square. It means 314 by 100 into 20 square is equal to 400. So cancel out. Now 14 4s are 56, 4 3s are 12. Yes, that one is correct. Assertion is correct here. Now come to the reason part. The area of the circle is pi r square. Yes, that one is also correct. And option A. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Now come to the next part. Question number 89 here. 62.8 centimeter is the circumference of a circle of diameter 20 centimeter. So here 3.14 into pi d. Okay, circumference. So that is 20 centimeter. So 314 by 100 into 20. 0 0 cancel out. So 20 14 2s are 28, 2 3s are 6, 628 by 10 is equal to 62.8. Yes, that one is correct. Now come to the next part. The perimeter of a circle is also the circumference of the circle. Perimeter of a circle is also the circumference of a circle. Yes, that same boundary. Okay, so here what is that? This, both assertion and reasoning. Now come to the next part. Question number 90. 15 centimeter square is the area of the triangle whose height and breadth or base is given as 6 and 5. So half into 6 and 2 5, 2 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Yes, that one is correct. Area of the triangle is equal to 2 into base into height. That is wrong. So what is the answer? Assertion is true but reason is false. So here option C. Now, question number 91. The fixed point of a circle in which all the points of the circle are at constant distance is called the center of the circle. Yes, that is correct. The diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle. That is also correct, but they are not interrelated. Okay, so that is not correct explanation. Now come to the next part. Question number 92. Okay. So very few questions left. Area of a triangle is equal to base into height. No, absolutely wrong. Half into base into height. All the congruent triangles are equal in area and the triangles equal in area are congruent. All the congruent triangles, yes, if they are equal, so definitely their height will also be equal and the base. So that is correct. And the triangles though who are equal, they are also whose area are equal. That is correct. Okay, so here we can say that assertion is false but reason is true. All the congruent triangles are equal in area. Yes, that is correct. The triangles equal in area are congruent. No, that one is not correct. But the second line that is written, triangles equal in area are congruent. No, that is not. So here we can say both assertion and reason are false. This statement is correct. Remember that one. This statement is correct. But adjoining sentence is not correct. For that reason, the whole statement is false. Now question number 93. Any side of the parallelogram is known as the base of the parallelogram? No. The what is called the base on which from the opposite vertex the perpendicular is drawn, that is called the base of the parallelogram. Now area of rhombus is equal to half of product of its diagonals, half into d1 into d2. That is correct. But here it is saying that it can be possible that all can be the base. I guess in assertion it is saying that this can be base if the perpendicular is drawn here. This can be base if the perpendicular is drawn here. This can be the base if the perpendicular is drawn from here. This can be base if the perpendicular is drawn from here. Yes, correct. So here assertion is also true. Okay, sorry for that mistake. Assertion is also true and reason is also true, but they are not interrelated. So option B is the correct answer. Now question number 94. In a parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel. Yes, that is correct. In a parallelogram, the diagonals are equal. No, that is not correct. So here you can see simply if you will draw. So here you can see that this one is the longer diagonal and this one is the shorter diagonal. So they are not at all equal. Okay. So opposite sides are, assertion is true but reason is false. Now the last question, question number 95. The area of a square is 400 meters square and its perimeter is 80 meters. So let's check that one. If it is 400 meters square, it means side is equal to square root of 400, that is equal to 4 into 100 square root. Square root of 4 is equal to 2, square root of 100 is equal to 10, so answer is equal to 20. So if the side is equal to 20, then the perimeter is equal to, what is that? Now side into 4, that is 4 into 20 is equal to 80 meter. Okay, so assertion is true. The area is measured in square units. Yes, that is also correct. But here both are correct. Okay, both assertion and reason are correct. Reason is the correct explanation. Area of the square units has been given. Yes, so here option A is the correct answer. So we have finished all sorts of questions and here some long questions are there, and if you are not able to solve, then please comment down in the comment section so that I will try to solve all the questions by taking my time. Okay, and thank you so much for being in this video till the end. Okay, stay tuned, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.